There are thousands of pollinator species who pollinize 80% of wildflowers, indispensable for sustainability and biodiversity. Bees are estimated to help pollinate about a third of the world food crops. There are at least 20,000 bee species, of which 30 races belong to the Apis mellifera species, known for their abundant production of honey, propolis, and royal jelly. Bees and pollinators are threatened by several viruses and bacteria, by other insects, climate change, nutritional failures, habitat degradation, and wrong beekeeping and farming practices. Beekeepers. As plants surrounded by flowers are a feeding ground for your bees, it is essential to know the nearby crops. In order to protect the health of melliferous bees, feeding grounds must be provided, and beehives must be regularly inspected to control diseases and mite infestations. It is imperative to build protection barriers for the bees and have records of the number and location of beehives. All this information is to be shared with the authorities. Farmers. You need to know and protect the pollinators in your area. Familiarize yourself with their foraging habits and plant vegetation with flowers near your crops. This can increase your production by 30% thanks to good pollination. It is essential to determine the right time and product to control pests, following the instructions on the label and consulting with an expert to ensure its proper application. Communication and cooperation between farmers and beekeepers is paramount to the coexistence and mutual benefit of both activities. As a result, effective dialogue is important to identify the number and the location of neighboring beehives and crops with their application schedule of phytosanitary measures. Alternatively, beehives can be covered to avoid accidents. Together, farmers and beekeepers can protect biodiversity and contribute to the world's food security.